up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have some killer news for you today. We have got our first partnership, and I cannot be more grateful or thankful for this opportunity. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spill it. Look at who we got here. I could not be more thankful. Summit reached out to me and has asked me to join their program, and thanks to you guys, I am able to do something like this, and I cannot wait to see where this takes us. This is gonna be a wild ride. You guys wanna stay tuned for this. Closing out the video here back at the shop. Again, I cannot thank Summit enough for reaching out and asking me to be a part of this program. This is going to be a wild ride. I just got back from there getting parts for this girl, for getting her ready to go to Medford for some final about driving there. Obviously, Cards is not nice enough for driving there, but we're going to hit up the daily driving on Sunday, and they have a night driving going on there. Head on over to Summit. The link will be down in my description. You guys have those project cars, go check out what they have in there. Everything that you can think of is on that website. Go check it out. We will see you guys in the next video with some drifting content. Remember, go check out Summit.